Class 6th, Chapter 6, Question Answer, Question I. Question I. Answer the following questions in detail. Question number 1. Differentiate between reversible and irreversible changes. Children, in these questions, we have to tell the differences between reversible changes and irreversible changes. Now answer. Reversible changes and irreversible changes. First point is reversible changes can be reversed. Irreversible changes cannot be reversed. Now the second point is reversible changes are temporary changes, whereas irreversible changes are permanent changes. Now the next point is reversible changes may occur due to change in shape, size and appearance of a substance, whereas irreversible changes occur due to change in properties of a substance. Now the fourth point is in reversible changes the original substance can be brought back, means it can be obtained back, whereas in irreversible changes the original substance cannot be brought back. Now the fifth point, example of reversible changes are folding of paper and stretching of rubber band, whereas example of irreversible changes are burning of paper and cooking of food. Now question number 2, differentiate between physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Now answer. Physical changes and chemical changes. First point, in physical changes no new substance is formed in physical changes, whereas in chemical changes new substances are formed. Second point is physical changes are temporary changes, whereas chemical changes are permanent changes. Third point is these changes may occur due to change in shape, size and appearance of a substance. Chemical changes, these occur due to change in the properties of a substance. Fourth point is physical changes may be reversible or irreversible, whereas chemical changes are always irreversible. Now the fifth point is example. Physical changes examples are folding of paper and tearing of paper, whereas chemical changes examples are ripening of fruits, rusting of iron and ripening of fruits. Now question number 3. List 4 changes that are both physical and reversible. Answer is 4 reversible physical changes are listed below. The first one is stretching of rubber, or we can say stretching of rubber band. Second is folding of paper. Third is rolling out roti from dough. And fourth is melting of ice. All these are both physical as well as reversible changes. These changes can be reversed as well as physical. Question 4. List 4 practical application of expansion and contraction. Answer. 4 application of expansion and contraction. So these are listed below. First is thermometer. Children, you know thermometer. It works on the principle of expansion. As the temperature around the thermometer bulb rises, the mercury present in the bulb expands and rises in the tube, which indicates the temperature. The second application is metal rims can be fitted on a wooden wheel using the principle of expansion and contraction. On heating, the metal rim expands and easily slips onto the wooden wheel. On cooling, the metal rim contracts and fits tightly on the wheel. The third application is tightly closed metal lids of food jars can be easily opened by dipping the lid part in hot water. Hot water heats up the metal lid. Heated metal lid expands and opens easily. Now the fourth application is metals such as iron, gold and silver expand and become soft on heating. These softened metals are then molded and beaten into desired shapes to make different ornaments and objects. Now the question 5. Write a short note on expansion in gases. Answer is due to expansion in gases, molecules of the air spread out. The distance between the molecules increases. This increases the distance among the air particles, and this makes the hot air lighter. The light hot air rises up. This property of air to rise up on expansion due to heating is used in hot air balloons. Hot air balloons are used to collect data from remote areas, which is used in scientific research or in weather forecasting.